Hi friends, good evening all. Firstly, I would like to wish you a very happy new year 2021. Today, I would like to explain the topic which is about the job opportunities given by Wipro for the year 2021. This is like Elite National Level Talent Hunt 2021. As you know, everyone was wish their career to launch in a big MNC to shape out their career. This is the wonderful opportunity Wipro is giving and also it is conducting for the year 2021. First time they are coming with a new name like Elite National Level Talent Hunt. It is like create equal opportunities in all branches to encourage the youngest talent in the country for their future. We'll go in detail. Before that, please make sure that subscribe our channel, like, share, and comment so that needful information will be shared by your beloved ones. So, coming to Elite National Talent Hunt 2021, our registrations open from 10th December, so it's already open. The online exam tentative date should be 18th January to 23rd January. The dates may vary. So, the second point is coming about eligibility. When it comes to eligibility, every IT company has a similar kind of eligibility across there when they are hiring the people. So, for this Elite National Level Talent Hunt 2021, they have given eligibility 10th and 12th standard above 60 percentage, and coming to graduation it's about 65 percentage or CGPA. And remember that year of passing is 2021, and the designation that you are hiring is a project engineer, and the service agreement is 12 months. After that you will be become an employee of a Wipro based on your performance. I would like to give one suggestion here. Those who are joining as a and requesting those who are starting their career as a fresher, you can go for any designation. There is no point of to looking at the designation and service agreement in IT industry when you are looking for a fresher. It is a better opportunity to launch your career in the IT industry as one of the leading company in the MNCs like Wipro. You don't want to look over the service agreement and designation and just go for it and wait for 1 or 2 years to gain experience and to gain knowledge. Then take decision whatever you want. I mean, which is suitable for your mind, technology, and present current features. So that will be helpful for your future goals as well. Everything, everywhere. You remember one thing in IT industry, like you need to learn every day new. This is the technologies are changing day by day. So irrespective whatever the position you have, whatever the job you are doing, whatever the company you are doing, you need to just learn to new things and apply that things in your job daily life. That is the only success formula for IT. So coming to selection process for this Elite, this is online test, also 128 minutes, yeah, almost 2 hours. So three sections we are having. The one is one aptitude one, written communication test one, and online programming test one. When it comes to aptitude test, it is at 48 minutes where you are come the verbal ability, analytical reasoning, aptitude things and all. When it comes to written communication test, it's kind of essay writing thing. It's a pretty simple one. You can see they will give some blanks and all in the story. You need to appropriately paragraph and summarize the story. When it comes to online programming test, you need to choose any one of your languages like C, Python, C++, Java and all. So they will give some code snippet. You need to fill that snippets. It's also some easy stuff only. So all the best guys. Last day to apply is 5th January. So hurry up. My humble request is to like you should have to at least try to attempt these kind of jobs so that you will get at least the experience. You will get practice and habituated to the real stuff instead of doing the mock interviews, mock kinds and mock jobs and all. You at least try one MNC and you try to give your effort, and you will see how much and where I am in the line, like 50% or 70% or 80%, how much my effort is there for this particular job, so that you can have one graph on your own, so that you can improve your future as well. Okay, thanks guys. If you want any details related to the job opportunities, this kind of things, and resume preparation thing, how to build your resume and how to continue conduct the mock interviews and all, you can subscribe this channel. The more and latest videos will be posted in soon. And of course guys, whenever the people are interested, we are also interested to do the things. Thanks all. Bye.